Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is put the rear parking brake into service mode so that we can compress the caliper. First thing you're going to do, this is for any Toyota with electronic parking brakes as far as I know. I do have a picture of the procedure that I'm going to snap in the video at some point, probably right now. But the first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn your ignition on to the on position. You're going to put your foot on the brake. And you're going to release the parking brake. Okay? You're going to turn your key back off. You're going to turn the key on, put your foot on the brake, and within 8 seconds you're going to go up 3 times, down 3 times, and you'll see the brake indicator start flashing really quick. So watch this. Ignition on, brake, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see my parking thing blinking, so now you're going to take off your foot off the brake, and you're going to press this down for 5 seconds. And you'll hear the parking brake motors back all the way out. And then you'll see your park indicator slowly blinking. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key off. It is now in service mode, and we're going to start working on the back. We're back in the car now. Brake job's done. So now what we need to do is take our parking brakes out of service mode. So the first thing you're going to do is pump the brake pedal, build up pressure in that pedal because you did compress those calipers. You want to fill them back up with fluid before you turn those motors on. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn our ignition to the on position, and you'll see that your parking brake warning light is still blinking. And you're going to take this lever and you're going to hold it up until you hear the parking brake motors actuate. Like that. Okay, and that's it. Your parking brakes are calibrated now. Your parking brake will work. And now we're going to go take it for a ride and see how it is.